The high school scholarship application for ROTC, for the Reserve Officer Training Corps, is currently open. So I did just get a question about that and the process, and I'm happy to answer it. I just did 3 years as an ROTC instructor, and I have completed over 30 interviews for this. I'm very familiar with the process, and yes, it's just open right now. So the 2026-2027 academic year. So it opened 1 July 2025 and it goes through 12 December 2025. Don't wait till the last minute to apply. So your first step, you go to the search HSSP applications, open it up, complete it. Step 2, you're going to create a Wings account. This is very important. Everything goes through Wings for ROTC. If you're a junior ROTC, you already understand that. 3, log in, complete, and submit. 4, you have to complete your full application. You'll see a checklist in there. Make sure you complete that whole thing. Number 5, download and print the counselor certification form and upload. Basically, it's saying that your high school transcripts are official and they're signed off by someone else other than you. And that's for your 9th through 11th grade. Step 6, you're going to download and print your physical fitness assessment exam. And that's typically someone that is a trusted person, such as your physical education teacher or your junior ROTC instructor, that will test you out for that, for your PFA, your run, push-ups, sit-ups, and how you do those. You then go ahead and submit those things in. And I'll talk about that more later on. After you do that, then you enter your GPA manually, your SAT scores, ACTs. You don't put those in. They get submitted in through the electronic code through the testing center. 0548 is that testing code. And finally, step 8, you've got that interview. If you saw my other video on OTS, very similar for officer prep. Typically maybe around 10 questions. First one's going to be like softball, like tell me a bit about yourself. You're a candidate basically of how you could perform as an officer, and are you applicable, like something that could make it. My interviews typically were about 45 minutes to an hour. I did most of mine in person, but some people choose to do theirs via Zoom or online. You may need to be required to be bringing identification, just prove who you are. If you're doing on Zoom, they might ask mom, dad, someone to do your height and weight. We would do that to verify because we have to type that in there. I'm happy to answer questions on that. Like I said, I saw lots of people interview, over 30 people over the last 3 years interview. Happy to answer any questions on that, and wish you the best of luck on your journey into the Air Force.